Pistachio spread is a delicious alternative to hazelnut-based creams and can be used to fill sweets, croissants, or simply spread on a slice of bread. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 150 grams of unsalted shelled pistachios, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 50 ml of neutral seed oil, for example, sunflower oil, 1 pinch of salt, 20 to 30 ml of milk. The amount may need to be adjusted. Optional: vanilla extract or a pinch of grated lemon zest. Preparation: preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and toast the pistachios for about 10 minutes until they become slightly golden and aromatic. Let them cool. Once cooled, put the pistachios in a mixer and grind them until they start to release their natural oils and turn into a semi-liquid paste. This process may take a few minutes. Add the powdered sugar, pinch of salt, and continue mixing until you get a homogeneous and creamy mixture. Slowly pour in the seed oil while continuing to blend until the mixture is completely amalgamated and smooth. Adjust the cream's consistency by adding a little milk at a time to make it more spreadable, being careful not to make it too liquid. If you wish, you can add a bit of vanilla extract or grated lemon zest to enrich the flavor. The pistachio spread is ready when it reaches a soft and velvety consistency. Store it in an airtight glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator. If you prefer an Italian twist, you might use olive oil instead of seed oil for a more intense and Mediterranean flavor profile. Curiosity: pistachios are highly regarded in Sicilian cuisine and are the main ingredient of many desserts on the island, such as pistachio paste or the famous Bronte pistachio ice cream. Their unique taste and creamy texture make them perfect for creating a sophisticated and delicious spread.